Hey there, fellow coders and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that doesn't get enough attention: the dark side of coding and programming. It's not all hackathons and hello world. Sometimes it's goodbye, social life. Picture this: it's 2 a.m. The soft glow of your monitor illuminates your face as you debug that pesky error. Meanwhile, your phone buzzes with ignored messages from friends and family. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Many of us fall into the trap of coding isolation. We convince ourselves that we're just busy, that we'll catch up with everyone once this project is done. But here's the kicker: there's always another project, another bug, another line of code calling our name. While we're building virtual worlds, our real-world connections often crumble. Missed family dinners, forgotten birthdays, and unanswered calls become the norm. We speak fluently in Python or Java, but struggle with basic human interaction. It's ironic, isn't it? We create tools to connect people worldwide, yet we disconnect from those closest to us. Our relatives become strangers, and our friends become occasional names on a screen. This isn't just about being antisocial, it's about our well-being. Prolonged isolation can lead to increased stress and anxiety, poor sleep patterns, neglected physical health, and in severe cases, depression. We optimize our code, but forget to optimize our lives. We debug programs, but ignore the bugs in our personal relationships. So, what's the solution? It's time to rewrite our personal algorithm. Schedule time for human connection like you schedule your coding sessions. Remember, life isn't just about building the next big app. It's about the connections we make along the way. Let's start a conversation. Share your experiences in the comments. How do you balance coding with your personal life? Together, we can shed light on this dark side of our profession and find a way to code without losing ourselves.